Hi, my name is Yatharth Kapoor. Today we'll talk about how to create a virtual machine by using Hyper-V in Windows Server 2016 operating system. Right. So to do that, let's go to Start menu, then go to Server Manager in the Start menu, wait for it to get populated, then go to the Tools option in the Server Manager and click Hyper-V Manager from there. Because we want to create a virtual machine and we want to make settings to the virtual machine, so Hyper-V Manager is a place from where we do that stuff. Right now you can see it as empty and there's no virtual machine in it. So we'll create a new virtual machine. Go to the new pane in the action, click on the virtual machines because we want to create a new virtual machine. We can also create a hard disk or a floppy disk if we want to, but right now virtual machine is what we are trying to get. So right now you see the new virtual machine wizard. Here you see two options. First of all is just click on finish to get the default settings. Your virtual machine will be created by arbitrary names and hard drive. And alternatively, you can go with the next option that will give you more custom settings. We will do the second option and we'll go with the next. So, so on clicking on next, you can see you can rename your virtual machine. In this case, we are going to rename our virtual machine as VM1, and we can alternatively select that which location we want the virtual machine to store if we do not want to store it on the default location that has been specified. So let's go to next. Let's leave it be. Then we have specified the generation of virtual machine. You can use generation 1 if you are using some legacy operating system, that is an old operating system before Windows 8.1 or Windows Server 2012 R2. But if you're using the newer operating system, you may as well select generation 2. Right now we are selecting generation 2. You can alternatively go with the generation 1. Moving forward, we have the assigned memory. It's basically assigning the RAM to your virtual machine, right? With assigning RAM, I can assign 1024 a gigabyte of RAM, more than 1 gigabyte as in 2048. That's what we are going to do in this exercise. And I would suggest that you use dynamic memory. With dynamic memory, your virtual machine can adjust how much RAM it will take from the physical machine. That if it needs 200 MBs, it would use 200 MBs. It would not use straight away the 2 gigabytes that you have specified. So 2 gigabytes would act as a limit in this case. So it is recommended